Hello, my name is Nabin. I'm the student of Federation University. Currently, I'm in a master's project, and my project topic is online tax return. It is a web-based portal. The video is regarding the sprint one reflection and my contribution to the project. We, along with my team, created an 11 user story in the first sprint and designed 40 tasks within it. I accomplished the 14 following tasks: T3, T4, T6, T8, T12, T17, T20, T21, 24, T32, T34, T36, T38, and T40. The time taken to finish this sprint is 14 days, working 6.5 hours daily. So what did I accomplish in the past sprint? So I'm from software engineering stream, developer role, and I mainly work on a coding part. I handle the back end of the portal, using PSP. Atom IDE, Jam server, MySQL database, and the tools that I have used so far. I made the web page responsive by using the Bootstrap, which is one of the challenging tasks. I also designed a database that are required for the project and backend connection with it. User table is created from the user, where user can register to the website as well as log into the system. The database is accessed everywhere when the user log in, register, log out from the system. Then if the user want to reset their passport, they could easily do it by entering their email, and they receive a passport reset link. From there they can easily change the password. Next is tax return, which is the main part of our sprint. So whenever a user wants to apply for the tax return, first they must be registered user. If they are not registered user, and if they select the tax return, then they will be automatically redirected to login page, and where they have to do user authentication, and then only they will be allowed to do tax return. And when they enter the tax return data and submit, those data are inserted into database that we have created, which will be accessed by the account staff, apply for the tax return, and then they can apply for the tax return. So the next is, how did I apply stream specific knowledge to my project? As I am from software engineering background and the coding is my passion, it became quite easy for me to work on the project. I have a knowledge of HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP. I also explored the Bootstrap and use it for making the website responsive. I did the research on the tools and environment setup required to work on the project, and finally we are done with the sprint one. So what did I learn from the past sprint? I learned many new things from this sprint, like to design a database, integrate it with the backend and front end using a PHP code. I also learned Bootstrap to make the website responsive, which is one of our key requirement and one of the most challenging tasks as well, because I don't have any idea to work on this one. I got idea on a form validation, that is server-side validation, using PHP, and front-end validation by using a JavaScript. So the next is, what could have gone better in this sprint? The sprint would have been better if I had access to the premium feature while designing a database, which I had to do manually. Also, the IDE that I am using for developing, that is Atom, it does not show at which point there is an error, and I had to spend a lot of time looking for it, and the time was bit short to make the things more attractive. However, I, along with my team, worked hard to finish the sprint, and this is what our web page looks like. Thank you.